Have you ever felt constantly tired, struggled to build muscle, or noticed changes in your mood, weight, or even your sex drive? Could it all be connected to one thing? Low testosterone might be the hidden culprit affecting your body and mind in ways you didn't even realize. But what exactly does low testosterone do to you, and how can it change your life? In this video, we're breaking it all down, from the physical impacts to the emotional and mental toll. Stick around to find out everything you need to know. Low testosterone, often referred to as hypogonadism, is a condition that can have profound effects on the body and mind. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone, though it is also present in smaller amounts in women, where it plays critical roles. In men, testosterone production primarily occurs in the testes, with smaller amounts made by the adrenal glands. It reaches its peak during adolescence and early adulthood, powering changes like muscle growth, bone density increases, and the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Over time, particularly after the age of 30, testosterone levels naturally decline, but in some cases, this drop becomes excessive, leading to various symptoms and health concerns. When testosterone levels are too low, the body undergoes a variety of changes, some noticeable and others more insidious. Let's explore the ways in which low testosterone affects the body, mind, and overall health in depth. One of the most immediate effects of low testosterone is a decline in muscle mass and strength. Testosterone plays a vital role in protein synthesis, the process by which muscles repair and grow stronger. Without sufficient levels of this hormone, muscle tissue begins to break down faster than it can be rebuilt. This not only reduces the size and tone of muscles, but also leads to a noticeable decline in physical strength. Everyday tasks that were once effortless, like lifting a heavy object or climbing stairs, may begin to feel challenging. This loss of muscle mass is more than a cosmetic issue. It can significantly affect quality of life. Simultaneously, low testosterone contributes to an increase in body fat, particularly around the abdomen. Testosterone helps regulate the way your body stores and uses fat. When levels are low, the body tends to accumulate more visceral fat, which surrounds vital organs. This type of fat is particularly dangerous because it's linked to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Making matters worse, excess fat tissue can convert testosterone into estrogen, creating a vicious cycle that further suppresses testosterone levels. Bone health also suffers. Many people associate osteoporosis and fragile bones with women, but men with low testosterone are at significant risk too. Testosterone is critical for maintaining bone density, and when levels drop, bones gradually become thinner and weaker. This makes fractures more likely, even from minor falls or accidents. Unfortunately, this process often occurs silently, with no symptoms until a break occurs. Hair growth may also decline as testosterone levels drop. This can manifest as thinning body and facial hair, which is often distressing for men. Hair loss related to testosterone is different from male pattern baldness, which is more genetic in nature, but the two conditions can coexist. Another physical consequence of low testosterone is reduced energy levels. Chronic fatigue is a common complaint among men with low testosterone, even when they are getting enough sleep. This exhaustion often affects productivity, motivation, and the ability to engage in physical activities. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, testosterone's role in sexual health is one of its most well-known functions, and low levels can significantly impact this aspect of life. One of the earliest signs of testosterone deficiency is a reduced libido or sex drive. Men often report a diminished interest in sexual activity, which can strain relationships and affect self-esteem. Erectile dysfunction is another common issue. While testosterone is not the sole factor in achieving an erection, it plays a supportive role by stimulating the brain to produce nitric oxide, which relaxes the muscles in the penis and allows for blood flow. Without enough testosterone, this process can be impaired, leading to difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. Low testosterone also impacts fertility by reducing sperm production. This happens because testosterone directly influences the testes' ability to produce sperm, so men with low levels may struggle with infertility. Did you know testosterone is just as important for mental health as it is for physical health? Men with low testosterone often report feeling less focused and mentally sharp, a phenomenon sometimes described as brain fog. This includes difficulty concentrating, poor memory, and slower problem-solving skills. While these cognitive changes can be subtle, they may accumulate over time and significantly impact productivity and quality of life. Mood swings, irritability, and depression are also common in men with low testosterone. This is because testosterone has a direct influence on neurotransmitters like serotonin, which help regulate mood. Without enough testosterone, men may feel persistently low or anxious, sometimes misattributing these feelings to external stressors. These emotional changes can strain relationships and lead to social withdrawal. What's more, low testosterone can also disrupt sleep. Men with low levels often experience poor sleep quality, including difficulty falling asleep and staying asleep. Furthermore, testosterone deficiency has been linked to conditions like obstructive sleep apnea, a disorder where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This creates a vicious cycle. Poor sleep further lowers testosterone levels, compounding the issue. But wait, there is more. Testosterone influences cardiovascular health in multiple ways. It stimulates the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Low testosterone can lead to anemia, characterized by fatigue, shortness of breath, and paleness. Additionally, low testosterone is associated with an increased risk of developing metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that includes high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess abdominal fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels. These factors significantly increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. The exact relationship between testosterone and heart health is complex, but it's clear that maintaining healthy testosterone levels is crucial for overall metabolic function. The causes of low testosterone are varied and can include natural aging, obesity, chronic illnesses like diabetes or kidney disease, stress, and certain medications, such as opioids or steroids. So there you have it, folks. Low testosterone isn't just about one or two symptoms. It can affect nearly every aspect of your health, from your physical strength and energy levels to your mood, sleep, and even your relationships. But the good news is, it's treatable. If you're experiencing any of the signs we talked about, don't ignore them. Talk to a healthcare professional and take charge of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.